to come on here and give you some quick directions on day 9 in your math packet over equivalent fractions. I hope you had a good weekend, and I want you to know that I'm still missing you very, very much. Today's page should not be that difficult after Friday's page because these two pages go together. So real quick, just want to go over a couple things. First of all, the directions say use the models to find the equivalent fractions. So we see in this first one, we see this first fraction here, 2/4 is shaded over here. There are 4 pieces in all, and 2 of them are shaded. So the numerator is 2, meaning how many are shaded, and the denominator is 4, meaning how many pieces there are in all. And so we're going to look at the next picture that shows one that is equal, but the pieces are cut differently. And so in this picture, we have only 2 equal pieces, and one of them is shaded. So I'm going to write a 1 in the numerator because 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. So these are the same amount of the whole, but the pieces are different. Also, remember, the more pieces we have in the whole, the smaller the pieces are. So when you go down to the next part, you're going to do that same thing on these first ones at the top. And then at the bottom, we're going to shade to make them equivalent. The directions say shade the models and write the equivalent fractions. So in this first one, we see this one part over here that is shaded of 4. So 1/4 is shaded, and that's the fraction that's written here, 1/4. And so on this next picture, I want to shade the same amount, but now instead of it showing 1 out of 4 pieces, I've shaded 2 pieces, and there are 8 pieces in all. So 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. Remember, we've also kind of explored the idea that when we multiply the numerator by a number, and in this case, it's multiplying it by 2, if we multiply the denominator by that same number, we will create an equivalent fraction. So 1 times 2 equals 2, and 4 times 2 equals 8. And we can see here that 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent fractions. So I hope this helps on today's page. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys. Miss you.